Graham in on Millsap. Scores it.
See, now the aggressive team, you got a couple calls going against you. 16-point lead down to 9.
Nuggets in trouble now, folks. Gary Harris.
Now you're playing scared, a little nervous.
Wiggins, and that's going to be the 6th foul on Gary Harris. So Gary Harris is fouled out. So Minnesota closes to within 3. And off Murray.
That's off Murray. This is going to be Minnesota's ball.
Now, need to play some defense. Barton's on Wiggins, Jokic on Towns. Wiggins got a step. In the corner, Towns to tie. Yep. Murray pulls the trigger.